Hello and welcome to our channel.
This episode is about finding a parking space for the bus.
It'd be nice if that parking space had power, and even nicer if that parking space had some sort of storage, but any kind of parking space is better than nothing we have right now.
Yeah, and someplace that'll let us stay for, at least until Mother's Day. I don't really want to be here much later than Mother's Day.
No, yeah, but a place till Mother's Day would be nice. Hopefully this door doesn't just fall off. It's open.
Yay.
I don't know what was holding it, but it's got a second hinge up above. Oh, I see. Okay. The bottom latch is moving.
Oh.
This is all fucked up.
Okay.
Seeing the bottom latch isn't moving up.
Yeah.
So that's why it wasn't on latch.
Okay.
Wonder what this compartment's even designed for. Oh, it's too cold. I believe I'll be able to see the starter so I don't have to lay underneath the bus again. Oh, there it is. Oh, beautiful.
But I remember I used to always stay right in that chair all the way to Canada.
Right back in the corner.
Nice tall bus too, you know.
Yeah,
It's got nice big hatches. He's gonna have a roof kind of deck on here too.
right. That way you can store your coolers. Oh, you got enough underneath.
Yeah, underneath rooftop decks for me to have a place to go. Get away from my son.
Yeah, oh, there you go. Have it with walls that tip up like
That's
this.
exactly what
So
we were
you got
thinking
your
about.
privacy,
Yep. Exactly what we were thinking, having railings that popped up.
Yeah, this is beautiful. So
All
anyway,
this is coming out.
I got that space in the back,
Okay.
and you give me whatever you want to give me for 3 months.
Yeah.
I'm not too, whatever. I get $60 a month from them guys,
Okay.
and then the building, whatever. If you just want to put some stuff in
Yeah,
there.
Mansfield store. If you think.
And this thing probably goes up higher, does it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it goes up higher. Yep.
I think we should be able to roll in that way.
Yeah.
But otherwise, like I said, them 2 planks, you set them down, and it'll bring up that edge.
Yep.
Finding a parking space was a lot easier than we thought it would be.
Yeah, it was. That was wonderful.
It just we kind of fell into it, honestly.
Yeah, now we just had to get this bus that wasn't used to Minnesota and was full of Southern fuel started in Minnesota again.
Where temperatures were double digits below zero that day, I believe. But for the last couple days before that, too.
Yeah, I put enough anti-gel in there for 400 gallons of fuel with only a little over 100 gallons, and it still didn't seem like enough. There was the pickup pump was not moving any fuel, but it didn't take too much time. Josh and I worked on it, got the pickup pump going, and yeah, the bus was running.
Yeah, definitely not my wheelhouse. That's what he's for. None of this that he just said makes any sense, except that the bus didn't run. He did something to it, and now it runs again.
Yeah, the bus has 2 block heaters. It has an electric block heater and it has a diesel fire block heater. Neither of them worked. If either of them would have worked, it wouldn't have really been a problem. And I think that off-grid diesel fired one is going to have to get fixed sooner than later.
Yeah, if we're going to spend any time in Minnesota, for sure. Even if it's going to might get cold again this winter.
Yeah, definitely.
for me, this would be difficult because I don't know how much room you need for stuff like this. I don't know how to drive something this large and actually, like, see, for me, I'd say, oh, you're gonna hit the fucking snow pile like
The
that.
steer wheels are behind me. You gotta remember, I'm sitting in front of the steer axle,
I understand
which is
that.
completely fucking weird to steer and deal with. You know, listen.
That you have to go beyond where you would normally go, and
Way beyond where you would normally go. Otherwise, you cut the corner short and you run shit over or run into stuff.
I think it is severely going to take me some getting used to.
Just riding it?
Just riding in it without going, oh my god, we're going to hit that. Oh.
You ready to drive it?
Nope. I'm really glad you're doing the driving. There's no way I would even be remotely comfortable doing this. Just the trip from the grocery store to the driving range would have me one just big solid block of rock hard muscles.
It's fun. It really drives really nice. It's
Oh
almost
no, it does. And even on this bumpy ass road, this act's actually riding pretty smoothly. I mean, I can anticipate all the stuff bouncing around in the cupboards and stuff, but
Yeah. Way smoother than any school bus ever rides.
oh, way smoother than any school bus. Way smoother.
Let them know we're coming from a ways.
My laugh is almost as loud and obnoxious as that horn.
It's pretty cool though, isn't it?
It is.
So here, see, put it in neutral,
Okay.
pull the parking brake.
Yep.
Bus ain't gonna go anywhere.
I'm still not driving it.
Oh,
Maybe
only if you flip that.
unbuckling is a good thing. A couple years worth of planning has all kind of come to a head now as we have finally sold our bus and have, oh my god, we didn't sell a bus. I never realized how hard it was to just film yourself saying something. Oh! Hey, handsome.
Hello.
It is ridiculously hard to talk to a camera
It is.
without stumbling over yourself and then stopping and saying, what the hell, what?
The number of times you say the wrong word. You
Like
don't
how I
realize
just
you're
said we
editing.
finally sold our bus?
Yeah. No, you say the wrong words a lot. A lot of times you don't catch it till you're editing. That's why so many people put the little right word on the screen. They would have redone it if they would have known they did it.
There were 3 Jolly Ranchers left in the bag that was on the floor.
Okay.
Guess what flavors?
Cherry.
2 cherries and a grape.
And Josh doesn't like cherry either.
Why?
don't
I
know.
love it. Cherry's the best Jolly
We were saving
Rancher
them for you,
flavor.
but I think I left the cherries in my dad's van. We're sweet safe there.
Well, I got a cherry or 2 cherries and a grape in my pocket. Is that our go ahead?
That's our go ahead. Put it in drive. Take off the parking brake.
I was gonna say check your mirror. Make sure you don't run anyone over.
Yeah, I really don't want to run anyone over.
Doesn't look like anybody's really coming either except for that car up there on the corner. If they can't see you,
You're gonna have to wait for me.
I was gonna say if they can't see you, then they are
I only want to take this so slow.
having some troubles.
How close to the building do you think I want to be?
I don't know. I think you want to be fairly close.
It's like this close. There's a railroad tie there. I gotta watch out for.
Probably this close. You want to be able to like get in and.
Yeah, I mean, you got a bunch of stuff you're bringing in right away?
No.
You know what you do? You take them seats, take 2 at a time and stick it right on that steel trailer out there.
Yeah.
And people will be come by and buy them. You're gonna pay for yourself. I always gotta make everything pay for itself.
And that brings us to the end of today's episode.
Parking space found.
Very close to 2 shops that I'm very friendly with.
Storage,
Yeah,
power,
yeah.
reasonable price,
Very reasonable priced.
close to home too,
Yeah.
not
yeah.
just people.
Yeah, 8 miles from home, but that's 8 miles of 65-mile-an-hour road and 1 stoplight.
And I do believe there is a welcome sign outside that I can't see.
Yeah, there's got to be, because I get visitors every single day.
I think we've been here maybe one time and we haven't had somebody here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there's always been somebody here, which, hey, if you want to come and visit and pick up a wrench or a screwdriver, feel free, by all means.
Yeah. Yeah, no one's done that yet. They just talk. But either way, yeah, I'm real happy with the spot. I think this is going to work out really well. Please stick around. Please hit that subscribe button if you want to see this thing torn apart and put back together.
See you later.
Peace.